Welcome back. In this video tutorial, I will discuss with you how to use new OpenSQL to write select query in SAP ABAP report. As you can see here, we have written the select query using new OpenSQL syntax. Select from database table as book. Then we have specified the field list using keyword fields, and as you can see here, all these fields are separated by comma. Let's see how to use case expression in the field list of select query using new OpenSQL syntax. As you can see here, we are using case expression to derive the value for new internal table field created at runtime. Here in this case expression, we are using field smoker for case distinction. If the value present in the smoker field is X, then we are performing some mathematical calculation. Else, we are performing some other mathematical calculation to derive the value for the field adjusted amount. Now let's discuss how to use arithmetic expression and arithmetic function in the select query using new OpenSQL syntax. As you can see here, with this arithmetic expression, we are multiplying the booking amount with the constant value smoker fee. Then the result is passed to the arithmetic function floor. This function rounds up the result to the nearest integer value, which can be equal to or below the actual value. Then the else part of the case expression, we are using the arithmetic expression. Here we are multiplying the booking amount with the constant value non-smoker discount, and then the result is passed to the arithmetic function CEIL. This function rounds up the result to the nearest integer value, which can be equal to or above the actual value. So basically, with this case expression, we are creating a new field to the internal table adjusted amount, where we are populating value based on the value present in the field smoker. When the customer is smoker, in that case, we are charging them some extra fee. If the customer is non-smoker, in that case, we are providing some discount to the customer. Now, with this example, I hope it's clear to you how to use case expression, arithmetic expression, and arithmetic function in the select query. Now, let's see how to use SAP HANA built-in function in the select query. Here, days between is a SAP HANA built-in function. It calculates the number of days between two dates. Here we are calculating number of days between order date and flight date, and the result will be populated in the new field days to flight. Now let's execute the select query and see the result. So here are the records present in the internal table LTS book. Here the field car ID, con ID, order date, flight date, book ID, custom ID, local currency amount, smoker, and local currency key. All these fields are from the database table as book, whereas the field adjusted amount and days to flight are created during runtime. The values present in the field days to flight are the number of days between order date and flight date. The values present in the field adjusted amount are calculated based on the status smoker. If the customer is smoker, we are charging them some extra fee. As you can see here, the adjusted amount is greater than this amount. And if the customer is non-smoker, in that case, we are providing some discount to them. As you can see here, the adjusted amount is less than this amount. So here, our select query is working as expected. Now let's see how to use union and union all. We can use union and union all to combine the result of two select query into one internal table. The number of fields in the field list of both the select queries are same. In both the select queries, we are fetching data from the database table sbook based on the custom ID. In the first select query, we are fetching data where the smoker status is true, and in the second select query, we are fetching the data where the smoker status is false. And then, using union, we are combining the result of both the select query into the internal table LTS book. Let's execute and see the result. So here, as you can see, the first three records are from the select query 1 and the rest records are from the select query 2. And here we have combined the result of both the select query into internal table LTS book using union. So as you can see here, our written select query using union is working as expected. I hope with this example you understood how to use union and union all in the ABAP select query. That's all for now. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Have a nice day ahead.